think y'all ready. I don't think y'all ready for this video. This is the video you have been waiting for. This is the video to save your money. This is the video to save your wigs. Stop throwing away the wigs, because we about to bring the wigs back. We about to bring these synthetic wigs back to life. You've seen her before. She's probably right there next to you in that bed as you watching this video. You don't know if you should throw her away. You don't know if you should save her. But guess what? We gonna keep her. She got a little bit more life left. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling so good today, y'all. This video is a little different, but it's something that I want to start doing on my channel. I want to start doing more like kind of how-to videos, okay? So if you're new here, I do a lot of wig content on my channel. I do some skincare, I do some makeup. You know, I dibble and dabble in a lot of stuff, but majority of my videos are wigs. And I realize that I show you guys a lot of wig reviews, but I want to show you kind of how to care for the wig. What do we do with the wig after? Certain things. Anyway, so if you are a synthetic wig wearer and you have thrown away your wigs and you don't know what to do with them after they get dry and they get hard, you are on the right video. I am so hyped. So first of all, I do have to give some credit to Just Tika. I was watching one of her videos and she mentioned this product on her video, and when I saw it, I was like, I need it, I have to buy it. So I'm gonna show you guys a demonstration of basically like how I wash the wig, how the wig comes back, all that jazz. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna be shocked. Stop putting fabric softener on your wigs. So this is a shampoo and conditioner basically for your wigs, and it softens the wig so much that I had to make a video and show you guys. So the shampoo is called Brandywine. It's a shampoo and it's a conditioner just for your wigs. It says for synthetic hair and natural hair wigs. Get it off Amazon and it's like about 18 bucks. So I'll leave the link below, but I do want to show you guys basically how to do it. If you would like me, you used to think that you can't shampoo your synthetic wig, you can't bring it back. I normally show you guys using synthetic wig spray and serum. That's good for like maintaining the wig, but after, you know, after that dry phase, after that I've been in the box, I've been in the closet phase, you need to bring the wig back. We can't be throwing away wigs this year. We are in a pandemic, so we need to save the wigs, okay? So give this video a thumbs up for me if you like content like this, and hit that subscribe button. I don't know, here, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me, and let's go ahead and demonstrate how I shampoo my wigs. Okay guys, so to get started, we're gonna need a few products. This is the Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. I also like to use this wig hanger. And you also need a nice big detangling brush. I'll leave links below to all this stuff. You can get it off Amazon. This is the wig, y'all. You know her, you've seen her. She's hanging out on your bathroom countertop. She's hanging out on your couch. She's probably in the back of your closet. So we're gonna start with detangling, okay? So that's why I like this nice big brush. I like to go in sections and detangle the wig. The wig is tangled, the wig is frayed. We're gonna brush her out. I know I look pretty rough here. Go in sections. If you got knots in there, take your time. Be nice to her. Talk to her. I know I look like I'm beating her up, but she all right. So get her nice and detangled, and let's hit that sink. So I like to start off cleansing my lace. This has some lace tint or makeup on it. It also has some glue. I like to go in with this neutralizing shampoo. You can use whatever shampoo you like. I just like this one because it gets it a nice squeaky clean. And I like to go in and just get that lace wet. Yes, we are wetting the wig, okay? I experimented a couple times with my synthetic wigs with washing them, and I realized you can wash it. So as you see, I'm going in there, I'm washing it. I'm not gonna say it's like your drawers, but it's pretty much like you would wash your drawers. Wash that lace, okay? If you need one or two coats, definitely go in there with another coat, but we're gonna make sure she's nice and pretty. We need that lace to look just like we got her out the pack, okay? So then I just go in and examine the lace, see if I have any extra adhesive on it, whatever. Go in with your fingers if you need to, get in there. Sometimes scrubbing with your nails does help as well. Boom, that lace is magic. Okay, I take that back. This is where the magic happens. This is the shampoo part of the Brandywine little combo that you get. So I go in there and I shampoo the wig. I think the combo of the shampoo and the conditioner, I noticed, does work well together. So I do suggest getting both, but if you want, maybe just the conditioner. But I go in there and I wash the wig, y'all. I wash her like I'm washing my hair. And then I also go in and occasionally detangle it as well if you need to. This way it doesn't get too tangly by the time you're done. But if you notice, I am kind of washing it in a direction of all one direction. And, you know, wigs do shed. So I did get some shedding with this wig, but that's fine. I like to make sure it's nice and squeaky clean before I apply the conditioner. That's why you're noticing I'm using like this water bath, but just get in there. Next, the conditioner. Y'all, we doing this just like we on a shampoo wash day with our own hair, okay? So after you get the wig nice and shampooed to your liking, I like to go in with this conditioner, and then I like to evenly distribute the conditioner throughout the wig and brush it throughout the wig. I'm gonna show you guys coming up where you don't need a straight wig. I actually have a curly wig too that I did, but stay tuned for that. But go in there and really distribute the conditioner throughout the wig. You'll notice that the wig will start to really get soft at this point. So usually one coat of conditioner works well, and then I like to get it again nice and squeaky clean to dry it. And then I like to go in with this wig rack. Y'all, this wig rack is amazing. After you're done, I like to hang it like over my shower, in my shower, and just let it air dry and drip dry. But I mean, use whatever you want. And wow, oh, do y'all see this wig? So I didn't even tell y'all what this wig was. This is my Dasha wig. It's a little curly because I use hot rollers, but I did not even go on with the blow dryer yet, and it's soft. If you want to straighten it out some more, definitely go on with your Revlon blow dryer, but that's that. This is Outre Amanda, y'all. Look at the silkiness. This looks like a human hair wig. I didn't go on with anything else except the shampoo and conditioner. That's it. Y'all want to see another one? Look at this other wig I got for y'all. This next one is me actually prepping the Outre Adelaide wig. Sometimes I do go in with a serum while the wig is still wet and before it dries. And y'all want to see what it looks like after? Y'all want to see? Y'all ain't ready. Boom! Brand new. She brand new, y'all. I did reviews on all these wigs previously. I'll just leave links in the description box. Alright guys, so I hope that was a good demonstration of how I shampoo the wig. As you saw, you get in there. You get in there. I was washing that wig. It's okay to wet your synthetic wig. I know it's a synthetic wig. It's not human hair. And it's like, you know, just throw it away once it gets all ratty and frayed. No, as you guys saw, these wigs came back to life. So you can go ahead and definitely wash the wig, and you can definitely, you know, bring it back and get a couple wears out of it, because these wigs cost money at the end of the day. I am on like my second bottle of this stuff because it's so amazing, and I definitely do recommend getting these little racks off Amazon. This is what I use to actually dry it. I just put it in my shower and let it air dry for a day or whatever. But this rack right here, I'll leave a link below to this rack as well. So this is just a bonus one. I didn't show you guys this one in my like little demonstration, but this is my Katia wig. And as you guys see, the texture of the wig doesn't matter. This is more of a yucky one. And look how she's flowing, y'all. Like, she's really flowing still. And then, you know, this is just straight shampoo. If it's a little bit too hard, too ratty, go in with your Revlon blow dryer and smooth it out a little bit. But you can definitely bring these wigs back to life. This is also my Made Beauty one. Like, look how luscious it is. I used to think that I could only kind of wash the straight ones, but this one has the curls. And the curls are still in here. The curls bounce back. Initially, when you do wash it, it is kind of scary because it's like the curls are going to get straight. But I noticed that they bounce back. They would bounce right back. And if they don't bounce back, go ahead and get some hot rollers. Put some hot rollers on there. Wheezy Wig Reviews taught me that one. So, you know, you can definitely... Look. We don't need to be buying wigs when they're on sale anymore. We just need to revive them and bring them back, okay? This is Adelaide. I just did her about 2 weeks ago. I think I did it about 2 weeks ago. I'm about to put her back in the pack. Look at her. Look at her. I mean, come on now. If you ain't sold by now, the link is below. The link is below. It's going to save your life. It's going to save your wallets. Click that link. I just wanted to show you guys that because, like I said, if you were like me and the wig was sitting in the closet, after she's hard, you're like, okay, time to go in the trash. But no, you can save your wig. Y'all leave some comments below. Let me know what y'all do to kind of bring your wigs back. You know, are y'all throwing them away? Are you using shampoo and fabric softener? Or what are you using? Because we need to do this together. We're a community and we need to learn and grow together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.